How to delete your Among Us account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's video I'll show you how you can delete your Among Us account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now what you have to do is, once you open the Among Us application or game, just click or tap on the settings icon, which is at the bottom of the screen, as you could see over here. Once you tap on the settings called icon, if you're playing on iOS, you'll have an option named delete account. So just tap on the option that says delete in order to begin the delete process over here. Once you tap on that option, you will see this kind of interface. Please read the next pop-up carefully, and please note also that delete account feature will also delete any linked accounts on other platforms, which will erase all stars, XP, beans, bots, and purchase cosmetics. Once you've read this pop-up carefully, just check the box and tap on delete in the box in order to confirm it. Now congratulations, you've begun the account deletion process, which will complete in 7 to 14 days, and you'll also see a notice on the top of the screen now to indicate that this process is actually pending. Now, if you've actually changed your mind and you no longer want to delete your account, there is a way to stop the process. You can navigate back to your home screen and then select the option that says cancel account deletion. Once you do so, you can see from here you can simply click on confirm to stop the process of your account deletion. But if your account has been scheduled for deletion, obviously you will see the account deletion pending option. That's all it takes to delete your Among Us account. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any more questions, then make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.